Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts. Okay. Gemini, February 2026. What's the energy? Okay. Uy, ang ganda. Milk and honey. This is like harvest, no? Pwedeng meron kang mga ano, mga nagbunga na, no? Na mga pinaghirapan mo. Masagana rin to. Masaganang ani, masaganang buhay for February. And kung naging imbalance yung finances mo nung mga nakaraang buwan or nakaraang taon, ito na yung time ngayong February, yung makaka-pick up na, no? Yung iyong pumipick up na ang iyong finances, career, business, or kung yung iba walang trabaho, yung family members, no? Kung saan ka umaasa. You have soulmates. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be able to meet the people, no? Makikilala mo yung mga tao na in alignment of your destiny. Pwede kasi tong romantic connection, pwede ring mga kaibigan. Kasi hindi naman porket soulmate romantic partner na. Pwede rin yang friend, family members, okay? Some of you business partners that you will get into, no? Yung mga magbe-business ka. Uy, ang ganda new life. Bagong buhay. And I think itong bagong buhay na to or new beginning sa'yo, this is part of the expansion, no? ng buhay mo. Like, expansion ng career, expansion ng business, expansion ng family. Pwede ring merong buntis, manganganak anytime soon during this time. Okay? So, bang parang excited ka, masaya ka sa bagong life mo ngayon. Lalo na at meron kang katuwang sa buhay na nagmamahal sa'yo. Let's see what else. Okay. You have the 5 of Cups. Merong kang iniwan na sitwasyon that you feel guilty about it. The Tower. Kaya nag-open tong new beginnings for you kasi meron ka na talagang iniwan na situation that is no longer serving your highest good. And you feel like this is the best thing to do kasi yung instinct mo, intuition mo is telling you na, okay, it's time to leave that situation. This can be a career path, business, trabaho for you, or even relationship that is no longer serving your highest good. And yung iba sa inyo, the moment na umalis kayo dun sa toxic situation na yan, that is also the time na magkakaroon kayo ng room for a new person. Like, bagong, anong tawag nito? Like, pagkakataon for a new connection. Kasi nga, umalis ka na dun sa toxic situation. Okay. Diba? 7th house, relationships. Moon in Libra in the 7th house. Moon is your emotions, what you really want in life. Okay? So, ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo when it comes to partnerships and relationships. And hindi ka na magsisettle sa breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Yung tira-tira, ganon. Hindi ka na magsisettle sa mga alanganin na tao na hindi naman willing na magbigay or ibigay sa'yo yung dine-deserve mo. You have the 9 of Wands. Marami ka kasing tiniis. Marami ka ng tiniis in the past. So, ngayon, eto na, nare-receive mo na or marireceive mo na yung iyong rewards. Sobrang lakas ng, lakas ng loob mo para umalis sa isang sitwasyon na, syempre, familiar ka na doon. hindi naman madali talagang umalis sa isang relationship, 'di ba? Lalo na kung ito ay talagang um, kinagisnan mo na, yung bang tipong matagal na kayo na nagkaroon na sana kayo ng maayos na pundasyon noon. But for some reasons, nasira. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, this is like a burden. Oo, parang masyadong pabigat sa buhay mo. And the moment that you let go of that, yun din yung time na mas gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Kaya, I feel like itong February is the month for you na mag-transition. Okay? To transition from a difficult situation, going to a new life, like a new beginning, like a fresh start. So, this is more on sa relationship for some of you. This can be relationship sa romantic partner, a person, a close friend, no? Depende na yan sa situation that you are dealing with. So, this can be emotional. Mahirap talaga siya. Oo. But, it is for your own good. Okay, let's see what else. Reflection. Magkakaroon ka ng self-reflection. You will realize the things that you have done in the past, ano yung naging epekto nun sa'yo sa present moment, at kung ano yung dapat mong gawin sa present moment para mas maging maganda yung future mo. Okay? So, number 6 is about balance. Yung iba, iniisip na, ano to? Hindi magandang number, no? 666 is a good number because this is about balance, harmony. 6, 12, 18. 18 is number 9 in numerology. And number 9 is culmination, letting go of the things that are no longer serving you. No? Releasing of the past. Or releasing of the things na, alam mong nakakagulo lang sa buhay mo para ma-achieve mo yung balance and harmony, kaayusan, kapayapaan sa buhay mo. Habit, ayan. So, importante rin sa'yo yung routine, yung mga ginagawa mo pang araw-araw. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo everyday na mag-a-align para sa stability mo, no? Stability ng career, finances, relationships mo, connections mo with other people. Number 4 is about foundation. So, yun yung inaayos mo ngayon, no? Magkaroon ka ng mas matibay na pundasyon, regardless kung anumang area of life yan, relationship man yan, sa career path mo na yan. And the number 1 energy here is about your leadership, na you take accountability for your stability. O, diba? Puro may T. You take accountability for your stability. Let's see what else. Gemini. For February 2026. Oh, ang ganda nito. Oh. Enterprise. Jupiter in Aries in the first house. So, magkakaroon ka ng passion, ng energy, para mas maipursu mo yung mga goals mo and dreams mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you will get into a business, negosyo na alam mong magpapaunlad rin sa'yo. At meron ditong swerte for you. Yung iba nasa nyo na yan, kapalaran nyo talaga. Oo. Jupiter is also about protection. So you are being protected, no? First house is yourself. So kahit na meron mga taong will try to bring you down or send negative energy sa'yo, protektado ka. Protektado ka dahil alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay at sitwasyon na kailangan mo nang iwasan. So, you will not deal with the things na will just make you feel bad. You have Moon in Cancer in the 4th house. Speaking of protection, also yung family. Napaka-importante sa'yo ngayon. You will bring security, stability, nurturing energy sa family mo and even to yourself. Kasi 4th house is also your foundation, your roots. So, mas pinapatibay mo yung pundasyon mo. Let's see what else. for Gemini. Gemini. Ngayong February 2026. Okay, we have listen to your intuition to receive a message from the world of spirit or a friend. Oh. So, itong February, meron kang mga messages na marireceive. This is spiritual guidance from your ancestors, from your spirit guides, or even from your friend or through your friend or someone na you listen to. So, napaka-importante rin for you na, if you feel called to watch a tarot reading or a message or anumang mensahe, divine message para sa'yo, panoorin mo. Only if you are called to na parang alam mo na kailangan mong gawin. Because merong important message na ibibigay sa'yo na somehow this is going to help you resolving some issues or part rin ng healing journey mo moving forward. Okay? Ayan. So, that is a reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.